Otter is a series of open-source robot products based on Raspberry Pi, including Otter Dog, Otter Racing Car, and Otter Classic Car. Otter is not only an open-source robot, but also an excellent open-source hardware learning kit. Otter does not require users to be familiar with smart hardware or programming skills because we provide very detailed documents and courses, starting from the most basic operation of the Raspberry Pi, the learn robot-related module control method, and write code of robots with Python. We provide a web application based on Flask streaming to control the robot. The application can be used across platforms as long as the device can install the Chrome browser. At the same time, in order to make it easier for users to carry out secondary development, all functions related to Otter's underlying actions are in Otter Move. With our detailed API documents, you just need to import Otter Move in your own program, and then all the functions of Otter are under control. Otter Dog is a quadruped robot that uses a linkage mechanism that makes Otter Dog have a high cost-performance ratio. We use the algorithm of inverse kinematics to control legs. You can control the position of the end of the leg by inputting coordinate values, which is the basic function used to implement other advanced functions. For example, the self-stabilizing function of the quadruped robot can be realized. In terms of gate generation, we also provide diagonal gate and triangular gate generation methods. Since the latter has strict requirements for parameter debugging, we use the diagonal gate by default. Both Otter Racing Car and Otter Classic Car are wheeled robots. Otter Racing Car uses DC motors to drive the robot. It moves faster. Only need to control the height and low level of a few GPIO ports to control the motor rotation, which is convenient for beginners to learn the control method of car products quickly. Otter Classic Car uses 360-degree servos to drive the robot. It moves slightly slower, but it has a higher reduction ratio. When the car is very slow, it can also obtain a large torque, which is also suitable for desktop applications and functions that require precise control of the steering angle, taking advantage of 360-degree servos to obtain more efficient line checking performance. All modules on Otter are programmable. You can even display your own emotions and play animations on Otter's OLED according to the content of the courses. Since the interfaces of the Raspberry Pi are available, you can also connect peripherals such as mouse, keyboard, and monitor to Otter. We hope that Otter can provide geeks with a cost-effective learning and development platform. With detailed development documents for beginners, Otter will help you to turn your ideas into reality.